Okay guys, welcome back. Pretty soon I'm going to post your first Julius Caesar reading assignment, so I thought we would talk a little bit about just what it is I want you to do, some resources that you have to help you through this play, and just kind of how it is we're going to progress through this. Okay, so here are a few resources that we should be having. First of all, you're going to need your book that we gave you, right? Got your book, got your highlighter, got your pen, right? I want you to treat this just like you would if you were in the classroom. So I'm hoping that you're going to be highlighting key passages. You're going to be writing down notes in the margin. The book is going to be your primary source to study from. So the notes that you take as you're reading this, questions that you write down, which you can pass on to me, whether we have a Zoom meeting for the class or whether we do it through email. That's going to be a great resource for you. Now, so let's take a look at this book that I have right here. I have a copy of it. This is called No Fear Shakespeare, which is a study guide by SparkNotes. And I'm going to give you the online version. Okay? So the online version is going to be a great resource. Okay? But here's the thing. Read the Shakespeare first. Okay? This is not a long play. The first scene, for example, is not even a page and a half long. The whole play is not even 90 pages long. Okay? This is a short piece of literature. Remember what we said in our notes earlier on. 98% of words that Shakespeare used are common use English words. Okay? Words that are in common use in English today. I do think that Julius Caesar is easier to understand in terms of the language than Romeo and Juliet. So here's how I would like you to tackle it. I would like you to try to read it. Okay? Read the play. Tackle it. Now, if you can't do it, if it's challenging, ask me some questions. Great. Now, if you want to use this SparkNotes guide, and look, I'm not going to dodge this. I know you might find this on your own. That's perfectly fine. So the SparkNotes does this. It's got a side-by-side copy of Shakespeare. So on the left side of the page, you'll see this. This happens to be the very first scene of the play. Flavius, hence, home you idle creatures, get you home. Is this a holiday? What, know you not? Being mechanical, you ought not walk upon a laboring day without the sign of your profession. Okay, those are the words that Shakespeare wrote. That's the actual Shakespearean language. Over here on the right side of the page, you've got a modern translation. Get out of here. Go home, you lazy men. What is this, a holiday? Don't you know that working men aren't supposed to walk around on a work day without wearing their work clothes? You there, speak up. What's your occupation? So it's a great tool for you, but I don't want you to go straight there. Don't go straight there. It's really a play that you can understand. I feel like you can understand it on your own. Now, there's some more resources that I'm going to give you to help you through this. One is that I have recorded myself reading the whole play, and I've posted those videos on YouTube, and I'll post those in your assignments so that you'll have access to them. In addition to me just reading the play, as the scene unfolds, you'll also get commentary like this. So you'll get comments as I'm reading the dialogue of the play. You'll get some commentary like this, and that's one way you can highlight key passages. You can take some notes on the play as you go through. You can pause if you're listening to it and take these notes down. Okay, so these are just a couple of resources that I'm going to give you. There's going to be study questions, a study guide that I'm going to post, and you can answer these questions. Be thorough. Okay, some of you guys are just doing a great job of being thorough in your answers, so I encourage you to do that. Shoot me your questions by email. We're probably going to organize a Zoom meeting. We don't have school Friday and Monday, of course, but we'll probably organize that next week and just kind of see how things are going here. So, okay, take care.